Hi, this is Richa here. Good morning to all of you, and have a great good day to all of you. And I hope you will be fine, good, fantastic by God's willing. Thank you so much uh, to follow my all activities. And so let's get started. Today's activity is right now. Which activity we will talk about? The idioms. Idiom activity. So first idiom is catch you. First catch you here. First catch you here means mind your own business. Mind your own business means पहले अपना देखो तब दूसरों को बोलो. पहले अपना देखो तब दूसरों को बोलो. When you have need to say anyone, if someone is turning to you, interrupt you, and you don't want any kind of interruptions by someone, so you can use this idiom, first get you here. First get you here, mind your own business. Okay. Second is red handed. Red handed means flat footed. Flat footed means रंगे हाथ पकड़ना. रंगे हाथ पकड़ना. Okay, let's take example. If you catch someone while the evil activity, if someone is talking about you, behind you evil things, if someone is snatching your gold, your money, so that time you caught that person as red handed. So you can say, I caught that person red handed while the activity. So now we will talk about third idiom. This is so easy. Third idiom. I'm not born yesterday. I'm not born yesterday. Once again, I'm not born yesterday. If you just try to translate this idiom, so meaning is different. But according to the idiom, if you will think to use this idiom, meaning is different. I am born yesterday. Or you can say, I'm not born yesterday. I'm not born yesterday means that I'm not little kid, that I don't know something. I know everything. I'm not like as a kid. I'm also mature guy. How can he think that I don't know anything? I know everything. I'm not a kid. So you can say, I'm not born yesterday. मैं बच्चा नहीं हूँ. And Hindi, you can say in Hindi, मुझे पता है क्या करना है. मैं बच्चा नहीं हूँ. I also can take decision by myself. I'm not born yesterday. I know what is the right and what is the wrong. I know how can I take decisions in a right place or in appropriate manner. I'm not born yesterday. Okay. Fourth idiom is bad hair day. Bad hair day means you can say black day or the day for you, if any day will be as a black day or as not good, or you can think that today's for me really very unluckiest day, because no one admired to me, no one praised to you me, every work is doing in a wrong way, every work is not successfully which you want to do today. So today for you, bad hair day. What can I say? Bad hair day. Bad hair day means in Hindi Manus Din, or can say black day or bad day. Okay. Or unlucky day. Bad hair days. Now we will talk about Fifth idiom, hollow promises. Hollow promise means hollow promise means hollow promise. I just tell you what is the meaning of hollow promise. This is the idiom, and this is really very interesting idiom. Hollow promises. Hollow promise. I want to promise to you that definitely I'm uploading, actually I will upload videos on daily basis. I will not stop to myself till then. You will not try to learn, you will not try to speak this language. This is the promise by my side, by my heart, 100%. And that's why I will do everything. Sorry, I will do everything whatever like really hard for me, because this is not piece of cake that I just prepare for you all videos, and after that we have to first editing, and after that we have to upload, and sometimes Wi-Fi is so much irritating, so it's really very hard, but because of I want to consistency with you all, so that everyone can be focused on learning process. That's why I make consistency with you all. So this is my bottom of my heart promise. This is not hollow promise. Hollow promise means खोखले वादे. That people also will hollow promise to you, because they want to make a relationship in a beginning of time. They don't want to make relationship forever. But I want to make relations as a teacher, as a student, as a brother, as a sister, as an elder sister, as good friend, as whatever you can think. That I want to make a relationship with you all my whole life, forever. So I want to promise to you by my heart. Okay, but I don't want to keep hollow promise. I don't like hollow promise. As a politician leader or leader also same like do that often when they want their chair, and they also will hollow promise to you. According to the public, that promise will be promised by heart, but according to the timing or situations, that promises will be convert into the hollow promise. After selected a chair, when that person selected for a chair as a politician leader, at that time they forgot. So they forgot promise. It means their promises like as hollow promises. खोखले वादे. I hope you got that all idioms, and please just try to use these idioms while you're speaking. If you will use, and I just searching a lot to make easy for you all. You just notice that I just try to mention really very short idioms and easy, that you also can pronounce that words in a appropriate manner as a good pronunciation. So just try to use. Thank you so much, and have a great good day, and don't forget to keep social distancing, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share, press the bell icon. Thank you so much, and have a great good day. And if according to your video is really awesome, so please don't forget to share, and don't forget to keep your feedback by the comment box. Thank you so much.